Yo, what up YouTube? Haven't made a video in a while, so I thought I'd do one. It's gonna be really short. All I'm just doing is a cold start. I got a new phone, I got the iPhone, so let's see what that quality is. A lot better than the Samsung quality. Let's see if that's better. Yesterday I went to the mall and started my car, and my Cobb access port deleted all my tunes and files. And I was like, what the hell? And I don't know why it did it. Called a buddy and he said that it may have tried to update itself and wasn't able to back up the tunes, so it deleted them. Should be coming by earlier or later today and reset the tunes on there and probably update my access port, because it does need to be updated. And I also have to update my Stratify tune from Stratify. It's only like 20 bucks. So yeah. So I haven't started it all day, all night. So yeah, do a little bit of a cold start. Person too, so I'll be doing more videos now that I have something better quality. And the iPhone 5 SE. It's pretty cool. I like it. I've never had an iPhone before. I've always been Samsung kind of guy. I used to have the S7, Samsung Galaxy S7. This one's pretty cool. I like it. Don't mind the airbags. The airbag light is on because I got new Recaro seats. Sorry, car seats connected. New Recaro seats put in my car. Also got a new Cobb motor mount. I also got a new big turbo and front mount intercooler. I just have to pick those up next month. I should be pushing around 300 to 350 horsepower. I ordered my meth injection kit, water meth injection, so I should be, with all that, should be pretty close to 400 horsepower. That's my goal. 400 is pretty good to me. I think it's good enough for a 2,700 pound car. I mean, seriously. Alright YouTube, so just do a cold start, doing a little update. Alright, bye.